Nature's healing touch, connecting with the outdoors. Pause for a moment and step outside. Take a deep breath and feel the sun on your skin. Connect with the natural world around you and allow yourself to fully experience the moment. Listen to the sound of the birds chirping or the rustle of leaves in the wind. Let nature's healing touch calm your mind and soothe your soul. Even a few minutes in nature can make a big difference in our mental health and well-being. Manifest the life you deserve. Always remember the blessings of the universe are within you.